Myself, Mrs. Archana Gadre from Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Pune, Maharashtra. I got this opportunity to attend this experimental physics workshop at IPS Academy, Indore. I was very happy to grab this opportunity as I was very much willing to know about work done by late Professor Babulal Saraf sir. And with the experiments that we have performed in this workshop, we could very much understand why he was called such a legend in experimental physics. The amount of efforts he has put in setting up the experiments is a lot, and we can understand the difficulty level of it once we work on those experiments. So all the experiments that we performed here gave us a good insight into the basics of physics and into the work that we need to put in if we have to work on the experimental physics part of it. The experiments need a lot of skills which could be developed, which could be done better when we work on the experiments set up by late Professor Babulal Saraf sir. Thank you.